Now, before moving on, I just want to help you navigate through the Unity documentation when it comes to classes, because the Unity engine provides you with a whole library of pre-made classes that you can use, just like the transform class, to get all kinds of things done. If you look on the left side of this page here, right now I'm just looking at the mono behavior class, and that's a class that we're going to be taking a more detailed look at later in this course. But if you have a look on the left hand side, you will see here runtime classes, and this really gives us a list of all the different classes that we can call upon in Unity to get things done. We've got the GUI content class, the cursor class, and if I scroll down, we've got other kinds of classes like the maths class. So if I select the maths class, we have here all the functions and the variables that are part of the maths class. We have sin, cos, tan, we have clamp, lerp, and these are all functions that we can use. To simply use the maths class, I just have to go back to mono develop, and in this I can just type the name of the class, which is mathf dot, and straight away you can see we get all of the functions that we wanted to use. We have the atam, ceiling, clamp, and so on and so forth, all throughout here. And the documentation on how to use these methods can be found at the Unity documentation site. Let's just open Firefox window again to see these. So we have the maths class. Let's choose back and let's see some of the others. We have not only the maths class, but we also have a vector class here, vector 2, 3 and 4 for representing the direction and movement of objects. We also have the time class, and we made use of that when we use delta time. If I select time, you can see that we have the delta time property, which is described as the time in seconds it took to complete the last frame. So we've got all kinds of objects that we can use, all listed here in these runtime classes. I recommend that you have a look through them and really explore the functionality that is accessible to you by making use of the Unity classes.